Three super remedies for the rubric cough, night, lying down. The remedies Rumex, Spongia and Drosera. Very important remedies, clinically indicated often also. All these three remedies have action on the larynx as well. Now in Rumex, the cough is dry cough. There will be tickling in throat pit and the cough will become worse on talking. Most important modality, cool air. Rumex patients cannot tolerate cool air. That will again aggravate the cough. Of course, the rubric worst night at lying down. Worst night while lying down is also important in Rumex. Next remedy, Spongia. Spongia also has dry cough. It's like a barking cough. The larynx will be sensitive. Spongia cases, most probably there will be hoarseness. Now at night itself, Spongia is aggravated before midnight. Another important thing to remember about Spongia is the patient will be better after eating or drinking warm things. They will find warm water soothing to their throat, giving some relief to their cough. That is a marked modality in Spongia. Better by warm water. The third important remedy, Drosera. Again, most important remedy for children also. For cough that is aggravated after midnight while lying down. Now the cough is spasmodic cough, almost like whooping type. Continuous paroxysms of cough will be there. With the cough, there will be choking sensation. The patient will have nausea, gagging also. Similar to Spongia, the patient will have hoarseness. In Spongia, there is tickling in throat. Here there will be sensation of feather in larynx. Similar sensation both have. Join subscriptions at Virtual Homeopathy for in-depth practical homeopathic therapeutics.